Good day, RK Figs here. I'm often asked if I could have only one dark fig tree in my garden, what would it be? And while that's a very difficult decision for me to make because there are so many great choices for dark fig trees out there. And don't get me wrong, there's no one fig that has everything better than all the other figs. There are always going to be some advantages and disadvantages to each variety. But the choice I have to make is going to be overall for me. There are two figs that are very similar. Those two figs are Violet de Bordeaux and Negronee. I just wanted to say, if you're enjoying these videos and are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of any future videos. Also, please share with anybody you know who might be interested in figs, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. My videos offer a unique perspective on fig growing because I'm in a very cold climate in Canada, Zone 5. I have many followers from all over Canada and the northern USA, and from many other parts of the world as well. Violet de Bordeaux and Negronee. And I'm going to tell you why I'm going to pick this tree if I could have only one dark fig tree in my backyard. Number one, both these varieties produce a breba crop, and their breba crop is super delicious and actually very close to the taste of the main crop. So while many other fig growers are waiting for their main crop to ripen in late August or September or even October for that matter, I'm already enjoying delicious tasting figs from my tree in July. Number two is the abundance of figs that these trees produce. This tree is not shy about putting out a lot of figs. And not only that, but it takes very well to being fertilized, and sometimes will even put out 2 or even 3 figs on a single node. So what's not to love about that? After all, those of us growing fig trees are not doing it for the leaves. We want to be eating figs. And finally, number 3 is the taste. Taste is something we're all seeking by growing figs, and the taste of these figs is absolutely delicious, definitely top tier. Now, it's not as good as, say, a Black Madeira or maybe a I-258, but it ripens in almost half the time. And in my opinion, both Violet de Bordeaux and Negronee taste a bit better than the other dark Bordeaux figs. You get a deeper, darker, richer tone from these figs. Absolutely delicious. And, even if you're located somewhere down south that has the fig wasp and you're wondering about these figs, guess what? Even better. These figs taste super, super delicious in your regions as well. So the truth, north, south, wherever you are, Violet de Bordeaux, Negronee, a fantastic choice for your garden. I'm RK Figs. Please don't hesitate to leave me a comment if you have any questions. And as always, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like icon, and share the video with anybody that is interested in gardening or figs. Thank you.